welcome to Sandip Tech Feed. Today we will share information on Android 13. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel to get information on more such latest topics. Since from debut in 2008, Android has always brought new features with its upgraded versions. And Android 13, code-named Tiramisu, could be one of Google's fine-tuned Androids similar to the available around the world. Android 13 is Google's next big iteration of the mobile operating system. And its preview launch has already been seen by one developer. No matter how major or minor this may be, but we might see a stable launch of Android 13 later this year. Here are some of the features that you can expect in Android 13. We have categorized the features based on the following aspects. Let's see what's new in the design aspect. First, auto-theming icons. It appears the 2022 version of Android will allow you to theme your icons just like you theme the rest of the operating system with Android 12. Unfortunately, there are two caveats here. The first is that this will only be available on Pixel devices, at least when it first launches. The second is that this will only work with apps in which the developer has included a monochrome icon for material you to use. Second, alternative lock screen clock setup. Android 13 could let users toggle between two clock styles on the lock screen. Per a screenshot published by XDA in an extensive first look, users would be able to select a single line layout or the current double line layout. Third, now playing widget updated. The media player that appears in your notification area will have a new look. Album art will now take up the entire background of the widget and the controls have been moved around a bit. It is not clear if this will be a change exclusive to Pixels, though. What's new in functionality? Let's check out. Don't go anywhere and watch the video till the end. First, more intuitive QR scanner support. QR code scanning is needlessly clumsy on Android, but this could be a thing of the past. There was a quick toggle button introduced in the first developer preview, but it didn't work. It started working in the second developer preview. The function is simple, but at least you won't need a separate app for it anymore. Second, native Bluetooth Lay audio support. Wireless audio will get a boost in the next version of Android. It will have baked-in support for Bluetooth Lay audio and the Low Complexity Communications Codec, LC3. The codec is a pretty big deal, touting lower power usage and improved audio quality across supported devices. Third, tap to transfer media controls. A surprise addition could bring smarter media sharing across multiple devices. According to leaked details from an anonymous and trusted source, uncovered a tap to transfer (TTT) system that'll allow users to pass on media controls to other devices. If you have not subscribed, please like, comment and subscribe to Sandip Tech Feed. Next in features under functionality. Fourth, Panlingual per app language settings. If you are multilingual, this could be the best addition to Android 13. The first developer preview includes per app language toggles. This would allow users to set specific languages for specific apps, separate from the system setting. Android 13 comes with new security features. 1. Notifications permissions. In the latest stable versions of Android, you need to give apps permission to access certain features such as your location, the camera, and the microphone. When Android 13 lands, you'll need to do the same thing for notifications. This will finally end the problem of a newly downloaded app overloading you with alerts and you needing to dig down into system settings to stop them. Instead, You can just deny an app the ability to send you notifications right when you install it. Second, integrated fast pair. Fast pair is a wonderful feature. It allows you to quickly pair your phone to accessories, such as Bluetooth headphones. Instead of needing to manually add them, your phone will simply alert you that something is around and ask you if you want to pair with it. In Android 13, Fast Pair is built right into the OS, which should make it easier to use. For more info on Android 13, check the blog link in the description. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel Sandip Tech Feed.